Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEPS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take I.C.T class for the students of class 6 on the topic of Chapter 5 Reading, Lesson 4 to 20. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 5 Lesson 4 to 20 Reading. Students, this is our 9th lecture and 8th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 9th lecture and 8th homework. Students, take your I.C.T book. We'll discuss about this chapter, lesson 4 to 20. So let's begin. Chapter 5, name introducing internet. Students, in our earlier class, that means in lecture 8, we have read from lesson 1 to 3, and today we will learn from lesson 4 to lesson 20. Now we'll start with lesson 4, name website. We have seen that internet is the network of networks. In this way, a lot of computers can connect with one another. When computers are connected with one another, then all people want to get the benefits in many ways. The easiest opportunity in the presentation of individual information in front of others. The process which is adapted for this purpose is called a website. If anyone wants to collect information from other to the others, he has to visit their website. All information are presented in an organized manner in the website. For example, the universities write down the names of all departments, admission requirements, list of the teachers, and their research areas are also given in their websites. Those who design websites try to arrange all necessary information properly. You can collect information easily from there. If you want, you can read the newspaper from the newspaper websites, enjoy music from music websites, and enjoy movies from the movie websites. Those who are involved in business give information of their products on their websites. In institutions, information inform their institutional news. Nowadays, you can buy and sell products from the websites. Every website has a simple name. You will be able to search the website by that name. Necessary steps have been taken so that websites can be found easily. Special application software can do that for you. Its name is search engine. We will learn more about search engines in the next chapter. You can see in this picture. Now we'll learn about lesson 5 to 20, web browser and search engine. Web browser. For finding website in the internet, two things are needed. How many things? Two things. Number one, internet connection with your computer, and number two, a special application software which can search the web and bring information from that. You can think of the internet as an imaginary world. Websites are the information stores of that imaginary world. If someone sees the websites, it may seem to him like visiting the imaginary world. It is called browsing. Browser is the name of the special application software used for browsing websites. I'm repeating, browser is the name of the special application software used for browsing websites. At this moment, the largely used browsers are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, etc. Now come to page number 72. Here you can see some pictures. Popular browser icons are Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari. For moving around the websites or browsing the web using a browser is very simple. To open, you need to just click the browser icon twice. If there is already any web address on the address bar, it will open automatically. Now you need to type the name of the website you want to visit at a particular place. For writing the website's address, each browser has a distinct place on the top. This is known as address bar. You need to just press the enter key after completing your typing, nothing else. How quickly the website opens depends on your internet connection speed. When you use a browser for the first time, you will not be able to visit anywhere because you do not know the address of any website. That's why some website addresses are given below. You can type these addresses. To visit the interesting place of Bangladesh, you have to type this link. Okay, to visit the largest encyclopedia of the world, you have to type this. To see the Liberation War Museum, this one. To see the NASA's website, you have to type this one. To know if there was any recent earthquakes, you have to type this link. To have the view of an area from a satellite, you have to write this and have to search. Remember that after typing our website address, you will visit the website, but information is classified in different layers of websites. You will need to find out them. The internet contains many websites. Some websites will become your favorite. Often you would like to visit those websites. You can teach your browser to remember these websites so that you do not need to type them again and again. Your browsers will remember these addresses, and when you want to visit those, it will take you there. Search engine. Now you might have understood that internet is a vast place where there are millions of computers and thousands of websites. All websites are not good. Some websites have been invented with negligence. Some have been invented for illegal purposes. Since there is no owner of the internet, it is running by itself. If you want to find out information from the internet by yourself, you'll be tired within a few minutes. It may seem to you that you are caught in a puzzle. That's why for collecting information, you can take help of a special application software. The name of that software is search engine. It can bring the desired softwares to you. At this moment, the most popular search engines in the world are Google, Yahoo, Bing, Pipelika, Amazon. These are the links of this. These are very easy to use. First, you need to open the browser and type the address of the search engine you want to use in the browser's address bar. Then press enter. Instantly, the search engine will come. Every search engine has a specific place to write what you want to search. You will have to write the name of the desired topic at the place. Those websites which contain your desired information will be visible in a huge list of information after pressing the enter button. Now you can visit the websites one after the other from the list to check whether your desired information is there or not. If it is not available, search another website. Students, as I said, here is a picture and here you can search anything according to your wish. Now students, I am giving your homework. Your homework will be 5 MCQ. Do 5 MCQ from lesson 4 to 20. Only answer. No need to write options. You will do 5 MCQ with only answer. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 9 and homework number is 8. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you'll get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.